Hey everybody, I just want to thank you all for 100 subscribers. So this is going to be my giveaway post. You have to subscribe on YouTube and then comment on this video your favorite type of video and what you would like to see in the future. So here we have a whole bunch of different types of bezels you could get. And then I have a little UV resin mixer and some mixing supplies. I have all these different types of add-ons, glitter, etc. This is going to be butterfly glitter, and this is dolphin, and then you have some of these guys, castle mold, UV resin, UV light / torch, whatever you call it, an umbrella mold, and then I have a little heart shaker here. And then I also have some heart silicone molds, so if you use epoxy, you can use those. And then I have all these little sticker sheets. These guys are actually from Japan. And then I have some Pokemon keychains, and then some miscellaneous heart bows, and a little unicorn guy. All for you to possibly win. Once again, just make sure you've hit subscribe and then leave a comment below indicating what you want to see in the future. Thanks, everybody.